you got yourself in a pickle. Nugget! Get hold of it. I got you wherever. Say Mercy.
Mercy.
Say I love you.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Move your fingers. Don't move, honey. I won't hurt you.
Get
Don't move.
your teeth
Don't move.
brushed.
Then sit up. Sit up. Andrew, what are you doing?
There's Tommy Pickles, 4 weeks old today.
Who's got dirty teeth besides Jeffy? Swallow. Open up. I'm gonna give you some water now, okay? Come here.
Juice.
See those pretty teeth? Are they clean?
Yeah.
Wow. What about you, Brianna? Are your teeth clean? You gonna get them clean? Let's see your pretty outfit Aunt Kimmy bought you. Stand back so I can see it. Oh,
Now it's
boy.
Bunny's turn. Let's clean her teeth first so you look really pretty. Yeah, so Mommy can take some pictures of you real pretty. Oh, here. Honey, I can't even see when you do that. Stand up for me.
Here, face Mommy.
Face Mommy.
Brush my teeth.
Say, look at Mom, I'm getting my teeth brushed by Father Tom. Why do you keep swallowing?
It's okay, it won't hurt her.
Oh, I know, I just can't get any work done when she swallows.
Jeffrey, what are you doing in there?
What's Jeffy doing in there?
What are you climbing in my cabinet for?
Okay, let's see, Bug. Come here. No, she still feels bumpy under her chin. But then, no, that's just dirt. I think that's just dirt, maybe. Let's see
She's dirty?
Let's just see. Let's see her belly, her chest. Let's see her back. The rash is gone. A little bit left.
Don't play with the bag. Let's see them pretty teethies. Pretty teethies. I see you in there. It's your house? What do you think of his house down there, Bug? See your teeth, Andrew. Are they clean? Very nice. See your eyes again. Oh, how clever. How clever.
Oh, I'm getting dizzy.
What are you doing? Locking them in there?
Let's see if I can fit
Did
in
you
there.
get Tommy Pickles who's sleeping? No, honey, it'll lock him in there. He won't be able to get out.
Yes, I got Tommy Pickle since it's his 4-week birthday.
Can I see if I can fit in there?
No, no, no. That is not a place for kids to play.